In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to a wireless HP printer. So the first thing we need to do is make sure your HP printer supports Wi-Fi and AirPrint. Now these days, most of the modern HP printers do support Wi-Fi and AirPrints, so there's nothing to worry about, but there are some that don't, and if you don't have one, then you can't really use your iPad to print. But if you do, then let's move on to the next step. What you want to do next is just go to your notes or whatever you want to print, whether it be a photo or a note, some of your notes or anything like that. Just go there. So in my case, I'll go to photos and I have this photo right here that I want to print. Now, once you have the photo ready, all you want to do is click on the share button right there. Let me use my cursor kind of thing here, and this share button right here, you want to click on the share button and then scroll down slightly and you'll see the print option right there. Just click on print and a new pop-up kind of thing will appear, and here you want to go ahead and select your printer first, top option right here. So just go ahead and click on printer, and if your printer, which like I said is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your iPad, you need to make sure they're connected to the same Wi-Fi. This is essential because AirPrint only works when the devices are on the same network. So if your iPad is connected to the same network as your printer, then it should show up here. You'll click on it, and once you do that, it should look something like this. So this is the HP printer, and once you do select your printer, it should give you a bunch more options to choose from. So how many copies do you want, what colors do you want, if you want it double-sided, and a bit more options to customize however you want to print whatever you want to print from your iPad. So it's that simple, and I hope this tutorial helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.